Exercise number 19 and 20 start. If we are to pay our way, comma, we shall have to get new revenue, full stop. I should like to do what you ask, but I have no power to do so, full stop. It will be your duty to check each item we charge, full stop. I shall go to the automobile show and I may buy a new car, full stop. Do you wish to renew your fire policy, question mark? It will be due tomorrow, full stop. I am aware of the value of a shop window on the avenue, full stop. I will give you a cheap rate to Niagara via the lake route, full stop. What would be your rate for a large room with bath or shower, question mark? We had a fire and our factory was ideal for a month, colon, so we had a poor year, full stop. I have no wish to argue with you, for you may be right in what you say, full stop. You will rub your eyes when you see our new era car, full stop. Why are you buying a poor type of oil when you can get a poor oil for your money, question mark? Poor oil may damage your car, semicolon. It will pay you to buy a poorer variety, full stop and para. Would you like
Would you like
to go to America with me in July? Question mark. I know you will thoroughly enjoy the tour if you can come with me, full stop. I am going with Julie party of 4 or 5, and we are making a tour which will take a month, full stop and close.